Hi my beautiful friends, so today I'm going to show you how to do a quick eye makeup really quick, and I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows, and all the links will be down in the description box, so don't forget to check out for that. Primer is really essential, so I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and will be applying this onto all over my eyelid area. Then I'm going to be using my Sigma highlighting pencil, and using the matte side of it, I'm going to apply it onto my brow bone area, and then using a fluffy brush to blend that all together. Then I'm going to be using a very light skin pink highlighter on my brow bone area, and then for my eyelid area, I'm going to be using my MAC Aquadisiac eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do the other way around. I'm going to first apply my eyelid color, which is this eyeshadow, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid area. And then using this PAC eyeshadow number 78, which looks like an orange eyeshadow, but it delivers a pinkish color. So I'm just going to apply this on the outer crease area and into the crease with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm using a MAC 217 to do this. Then just going back and reapplying my Aquadisiac eyeshadow, and then the same shimmery eyeshadow onto my inner corners. Then using this Aqua eye pencil on my lower waterline, and then just going back with that PAC eyeshadow on a smudger brush and applying it onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be using my Benefits Their Real Push-Up Liner, and I'm going to do a very bold and a dramatic winged eyeliner. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead with some black eyeshadow and apply on top of that, and then using my Benefits Their Real Mascara on my top and bottom lashes pretty heavily. Then for my lips, I'm going to be using my MAC More to Love for Long Wear Lip Liner, and I'm basically applying this more on the outline of my lips and very lightly filling them in. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying my MAC lip gloss in Viva Glam Rihanna 2. And for my blush, I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralize blush in Star Wonders. And with that, we are done. So here's it for the quick eye makeup. I hope it proves out to be helpful for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.